Hi, this is Valentina, and in this video I will show how to crochet this pattern. It is very easy to make. I was using number 4 yarn for a pink pattern, and this is for this one. It's very thin yarn that I'm using, and this is just beautiful pattern you can use for any of your projects. So for this pattern I'm using multiples of 5, and let's start with a chain. Once you have the number of stitches, we'll make double crochet. So yarn over and skip 4, insert into the 5th and make double crochet. Now yarn over again, we'll make another double crochet. We skip 4 chains and make double crochet. Now chain 3 and we'll make double crochet into the same chain and we repeat. Yarn over, skip 4 and make double crochet, chain 3 and make double crochet into the same chain and continue just like that the entire row. Yarn over, skip 4, double crochet, chain 3 make double crochet into the same chain, double crochet, skip 4, chain 3 into the same chain, double crochet, chain double crochet, skip 4, 1 2 3 4. So this is my last one. I'm finishing the row, and for the ending, chain 2 and make double crochet into the same chain. We completed first row. For next row, chain 2 and turn around, yarn over, we'll make double crochet into this previous double crochet stitch, make double crochet, now chain 3 and we'll make double crochet into next double crochet stitch. So we use this, and now we'll make double crochet into the next stitch, next double crochet of the previous row. Yarn over, we'll go and make double crochet into the next double crochet of the previous row stitch, chain 3 and we'll make double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over and we'll make double crochet into the next double crochet of the previous row stitch, and continue just like that. Chain 3, double crochet into the next stitch, yarn over and we'll make double crochet into the next previous row double crochet stitch, chain 3, and repeat. Into my next stitch, double crochet. So we are actually skipping 3 chains if you want to count, and next one double crochet, chain 3. So to finish the row, chain 3, yarn over, make double crochet into next stitch, just like that, and now yarn over and we'll make double crochet into this stitch. We finished 2 rows. Next row, chain 4. So this is the difference. Previous row we chain 2, and now we chain, to start the row we chain 4. This is the only difference that we have, because to follow the pattern now we'll need to make double crochet when we turn around into this stitch right here. So this is for the edging, to follow the pattern. Now we'll make double crochet into the previous row double crochet stitch. So we skip 3 and make double crochet. So just remember that we are making double crochet into the previous row double crochet stitch. Chain 3, yarn over, next stitch, make double crochet, and this is the pattern. Just continue working just like that. Now I'm making double crochet, chain 3, and another double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next, chain 3, double crochet into the next stitch, yarn over and make double crochet, chain 3, and yarn over, make double crochet from the next stitch, yarn over, So we are finishing the row. Make double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, and make 1 double crochet. So next row, I believe you can continue just like that. Just pay attention into your edges so you're not reducing or increasing. This is important. Next row, I'm making chain 2, turn around, and now I will make double crochet into that stitch of into the double crochet of my previous row stitch, and then chain 3, yarn over, double crochet. Yarn over and double crochet into the next double crochet of the previous row stitch, and chain 3. Easy pattern, but let me know if you have any questions. Beautiful and beautiful and beautiful pattern. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, and bye bye.